Welcome back. So every day after lunch, one of the activities that you will be engaged in is an activity called I See, I Think, I Wonder. This activity will include me posing a picture for you to look at. And one of the things I want you to do is you will create a Google slideshow, which we have talked about before, where you will go to your Google page and click on the waffle. Then you'll click on the slide icon, and then you'll open the new presentation, and this is the one for the desert island, but you will put in your title, I See, I Think, I Wonder. And you will create one for all of August. So you'll just keep building on this. So you'll build one for all of August, and then we'll start a new one for September and a new one for October, and so on. What you're going to do is you're going to look at the picture that I've put here, and you're going to tell me 3 things that you see. So you could say, I see a lake, or I see some trees. Now, I am using those so you cannot. So there should not be one person on this that says, I see a lake or I see some trees. When you create what you see, when you create your sentence for what you see, I want you to use descriptive language. So, I see a murky lake, or I see a very still lake, or I see some dead trees. So you have to use description in your sentences. After you have written 3 I see sentences, then I want you to write 3 I think sentences about what you saw. So if I said, I see a murky lake, then my first sentence for I think would be, I think there was a mudslide and mud filled the lake. Or if I said, I see some dead trees, I could say, I think it's wintertime and the leaves are all gone off the trees. So you have to look at the 3 sentences that you talked about what you saw, and then you have to tell me 3 things that you think about. Now these have to be possible things. So you can't just say, I think a wizard cast a spell and it may change the color of the lake. That's not okay. Okay, you have to tell me things that are actually possible that could cause what you see. Now, the third thing you're going to do is you're going to write 3 I wonder sentences. So you're going to take, again, those 3 I see sentences, and then you're going to read your I think sentence, and then you're going to tell me what it makes you wonder about. So I could say, I see a murky lake. I think there was a mudslide and the mud got all over in the water. And I wonder if it's possible to clean all that mud out of the water to make it clear again. Or I could use with my trees, I see some dead trees. I think it's winter time and the leaves have all gone off the trees. I wonder if it's considered hibernation in the winter time, just like bears hibernate. So your I wonder can be anything related that you just wonder about. It's not something you're going to prove. It's probably not even something that you're going to continue on with, but it's something that you wonder about. And maybe later on you actually will wonder about it enough that you decide to research it and find out about. Some of these I wonders we actually will take later on and do some research on. So don't waste your time and really think about your I see. What do you see in this? What does it make you think about? And then what does it make you wonder? Because these will be some of the things that we will do research on later on. Have fun with this. Some of these pictures are really cool.